In this video, I'm going to explain how you can change your debit card in Cash App. Once you have opened up the Cash App application and you have logged in with your account, we want to click on your profile icon in the top right corner here. Now, once we're taken to this section, we want to scroll down until we see the option for linked banks, and right here we'll simply click on linked banks. This will load up all of our linked debit cards, and if we want to change any of those, we will simply press and hold onto the one that we want to change, and you will see an option to either remove the card or replace the card. I suggest using the remove card option, and once you have removed it, then your screen is going to appear like so. It's going to look like this, and we will simply have to relink a new debit card. So I'll click on link debit card here, and we will need to type out the debit card number, the expiration date, the CVV, as well as your zip code. So that's how you do it. Like I said, you just press and hold on to the linked card that you want removed, and then you will see remove right here, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.